These women who are distributing tulsi plants at every doorstep are from Mahila Utthan Mandal, being run by the divine inspiration of Sant Shri Asharamji Bapu. Every year during this period, women of Mahila Utthan Mandal carry out Tulsi campaign. Under this campaign, they visit every house to distribute Tulsi plants and also disseminate thorough knowledge of gains through intake of Tulsi. A few years ago, Sant Shri Asharamji Bapu had recommended the celebration of 25th December as Tulsi Worship Day. Since then, this festival is being celebrated with utmost zeal and fervor throughout the country. The women folk of Mahila Utthan Mandal make people aware of the all-inclusive advantages of the Tulsi plant, and also they gift them this plant free of cost so that they shouldn't go without availing its benefits. Almost at each and every crossroads, bus stop, society, colony or house of Ahmedabad, this vehicle of Mahila Utthan Mandal loaded with Tulsi plants is reaching, and these women are busy gifting Tulsi plants to the people. Everyone received this plant with utmost regard and thanked them. When the women folk from the Mahila Utthan Mandal presented Tulsi plant to the officials of Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, they showed their gratitude towards Sant Shri Asharamji Bapu for this worthy initiative.
The celebration of Tulsi Worship Day on 25th December will be quite beneficial for everyone, and this will send an auspicious message of our majestic Indian culture to the children. The cow, the Ganges and worshipping Tulsi constitute our lofty culture, and all these should have their place in the courtyards of our houses. So our countrymen must visit every house to bring awareness about them. This task of broadening our culture under the Ghar Ghar Tulsi Lagao campaign by the women of Mahila Utthan Mandal is truly commendable. And through this task, the significance of our culture is being acknowledged to every house.
Today, a Tulsi plant has been presented to me by the team of Mahila Utthan. I am very pleased to have it. Today, the entire world has been invaded by the pandemic disease. When allopathic treatment proves ineffective, even in trivial ailments, the only hope is alive through Ayurveda. Our Vedic scriptures, Puranas and Upanishads speak highly about the majesty of Tulsi, as the Lord Himself dwells in it. So, I thank Mahila Utthan team for spreading this message to every house. With their worthy endeavor, the masses of India will definitely recognize the significance of Tulsi, and by using the Tulsi products, they'll be able to maintain their healthiness.
The women folk of Mahila Utthan Mandal carried out Tulsi campaign throughout the country. Hardly any nook and corner of the country must have left where women team of Mahila Utthan Mandal would not have reached to present the Tulsi plant. Right from Jammu and Kashmir to the farthest region of South India, Gujarat, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh to West Bengal, practically at every place, Tulsi plant was made available so as to boost up immunity of the masses and keep every disease at bay.